Hey everyone, welcome to the online session of Manu Law Classes. In today's video, I am going to discuss 10 words which have been taken from the Hindu newspaper. These words not only help you in solving questions based upon reading comprehension, but also questions based upon one word substitution, sometimes synonyms and antonyms and others. So what you need to do while you are watching this video, keep a notebook with you and start writing the word. In that way, your spelling error will be improving, and also you will inculcate this word when you write with the spelling, right? So let us start the word. The first word is hapless. Hapless means unlucky person, right? Having no luck, unfortunate. Unlucky, luckless, out of luck, cursed, doomed. The hapless rabbit could not escape from the trap. देखो क्या होता है ना, you are so much sometimes focus into the high frequency words which are super difficult, तो हम उन words को भूल जाते हैं जो कि generally हमें passage में मिलता है. So ensure that since these words are from the Hindu newspaper, it means they are in regular use. कोई easy हो सकता है, कोई difficult हो सकता है, but at the time of exam, if you do not know the word, it means you may end up misunderstanding the passage. Do not do that. Make a note of all the words and keep revising. एक दिन में नहीं आता, time लगता है. Okay, so let us discuss the next word in the list is that is persuade, means किसी को मनाना या फुसलाना. Other words हो सकते हैं talk someone into or coaxing, convince, make, get, induced, coerce or prompt. The lawyer tried to persuade his client to accept the generous settlement offer, right? To convince an individual group to do something, right, for in their favor. So persuade means किसी को मनाना. Coaxing on the other hand kind of फुसला कर किसी को मनाना. They are not interchangeably used. ये भी पता होना चाहिए ना, contextual meaning पता होना चाहिए किस context में use किया जा सकता है. Alright. Next word in the list is deserter. नाम से ही सुन के लग रहा है भगोड़ा, right? So a person who leaves the armed forces without permission, run away, regenerate. Fugitive means bhagoda, right? So this can be interchangeably used. Escapee, he was a deserter once he ran from the field of battle. The next word in the list is tenure. Easy सा word है. Tenure मतलब किसी का कार्यकाल या समयावधि in Hindi, right? So copying a position, occupying a position or office usually in government. Incumbency, incumbent बोलते हैं, incumbent prime minister. The then उसका opposite हो जाता है. Incumbent मतलब इस समय जो है, ठीक है? So that is tenure. Term of office, term, period of office, time. So this is a simple word. Next word in the list is bureaucracy. Bureaucracy मतलब a complex, excessively complicated or complex administrative process. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा जो process होता है, that is bureaucracy, right? Red tape, लाल फीता साही भी आप इसे हिंदी में बोलते हो. Rules and regulations, protocols, official term. So the bureaucracy involved with buying a house is one of the more reasons so many people choose to rent their residences, right? A simple word you might have been hearing. You might have heard this word before. Entangle. Next word is entangle. मतलब आपस में ही उलझ जाना, right? Cause to become twisted together with or caught in. Intertwined. Intertwined is a fancy word which replaces the word entangle. So intertwine, intervene, entangle, tangle, intertwine. So these all are the words which are synonyms to the word entangle. The long cords of the headphones often entangle themselves in pockets. So अगर आपके पास थोड़े समय पहले हेडफोन्स, ईयरफोन्स हुआ करते थे, अभी तो ईयरबड का जमाना है, so no entangle. पहले ऐसा होता था. Legitimate is synonymous to legal, है ना? Licit. So these are the synonyms: valid, sound, admissible, acceptable, well-founded, able to be defined with logic or justification. Valid. So legitimate is legal. The court determined that the contract was legitimate and legally binding. The next word in the list is echelons. Echelons मतलब एक जो stages होते हैं गवर्नमेंट में, जो पोस्ट होते हैं, किसी भी फॉर्म में जो पोस्ट होते हैं, सीनियर, जूनियर, then associate, so many posts are there, right? So a level or rank in an organization, profession or society. तो किसी भी तरह से जो ranking system है हमारी, so that is echelon. So rank is synonymous to echelons. Level, rank, grade, step, rung, tier, and plane. So these words are synonymous to the word echelons. Only members of society's highest echelons can afford to own airplanes, right? सबके बस की नहीं है airplane hire करना. Ambivalent जो है बहुत ही जनरली यूज किया जाने वाला शब्द है. Ambivalent means having mixed feeling about something or somebody. जब आप किसी को लेके बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होते हो, या लेट्स से यू आर डिसाइडिंग योर करियर एंड यू आर सो एम्बिवलेंट कि कौन सा करना है कौन सा नहीं करना, राइट? So having mixed feeling or contradictory ideas about something or something. Equivocal, uncertain are synonymous to ambivalent, unsure, doubtful, indecisive, inconclusive, irresolute. These are synonyms, right? So after 5 days, the jury is still ambivalent about the defendant guilt. So ambivalent means having mixed feeling, not sure. The last word in this list is forsake, मतलब त्याग देना या छोड़ देना. So to give up or abandon. Abandon, desert, leave, quit, depart from, leave behind. In the military, you are asked to forsake your own needs for the needs of the country. So this is the biggest sacrifice. This is the biggest sacrifice one can make when he or she is forsaking his own needs for the sake of country, right? I salute to the army personnel who just serve our country. So I hope you have understood all the words discussed in this video. Make sure you just follow the initial advice that I just gave you. Keep a note with you and keep writing the word. In that way, it will go into your subconscious mind, because it is very hard to learn a particular word with its context. So daily reading newspaper will help you. At the same time, noting down the vocab in a particular copy or diary, and at the same time you're revising them, will help you inculcate the words in your mind. So all the very best for your upcoming CLAT AILET examination. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. All the best.